Beautiful. Today we're gonna make you something really so simple and so easy and quick. We're gonna make you a lovely ginger tea. Nice ginger tea with some lemon and honey. Beautiful. You know, it's coming to a cold time. You know, sometimes some people been having a little cold and they don't know what to do. Sometimes they don't know, they're stressed with the cold. So what you could do, you could just make yourself a nice cup of hot ginger tea with some lemon and honey. I'm just gonna make it and show you. It's so simple. Guys, you're gonna love this little simple little recipe. Remember, this is for cold. Subscribe my YouTube channel and go on my website chefricardo.co. Let's turn on our stove. Beautiful. Our pot. I'm just using a very little small pack to make this nice lovely ginger and lemon and honey tea for you guys. First of all, you need 2 nice cups of hot water. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use my cup just to measure to show you guys. I'm using some hot water. Beautiful. That's 1 cup. And that's 2 cups. I'm using 2 cups of water to make this nice lovely cup of ginger tea for you. First of all, you need a fat chunk of ginger. Beautiful. This fat piece of chunk of ginger right here, and then you're gonna beat it and crush it straight in the water. You need a whole lemon like this one right here. I'm gonna just put it straight inside of it. What you're gonna do, you're gonna just cut it into 3 pieces and put it straight inside of it. 3 pieces. Beautiful. Then what you're gonna do next, squeeze a little bit of the honey inside of it. Leave it for 10 minutes. Beautiful. Beautiful. So we're just gonna check and see what it look like. Wow, that is just really nice and beautiful. So remember, you need a fat chunk piece of ginger like this right here. Beautiful. Look at that fat piece of chunk of ginger and the lemon and some honey, and make yourself a nice lemon and ginger tea. Beautiful one. Guys are gonna love this one. This is just really nice and beautiful. Lemon, honey and ginger. It is good for cold, cough, flu, any sickness. This is it. Cover it back, eat another 10 more minutes. Keep beautiful. Ready. So I let it boil for 20 good minutes. So what we're gonna do now, let's turn off our stove and let's get it straight in this. So let's get some straight in this cup. So it's finished now. 20 minutes, good boil. Let's pour some in this cup. I'm just using my strainer. Lovely. Look at that. That is just really nice and beautiful. Beautiful tea. Then what we're gonna do now, let's put a little bit more honey inside of it. Give it a little bit more sweetness. Guys, it's lemon and honey and ginger tea. Beautiful. So this is what you're looking for. Really thick, looking really nice and beautiful. I want to say to you, for you to make this tea, you need one Chef Ricardo cup, mug, and then you can make yourself a nice, lovely cup of lemon and ginger and honey tea. It is good for cold, good for flu, good for anything, good for pain. This is just a beautiful tea. All you need is a natural lemon, the natural ginger, and the natural honey. And honestly, you can get honey at any local shop to buy, or supermarket, and make yourself a nice, lovely cup of ginger tea. Beautiful one. So I'm just gonna have this one and see you. Remember, subscribe my YouTube channel. It's free. I'll see you in my next video, which is gonna come soon. See you. Bye.